Hey Tracy, it's Amber from Local Leads Co. I know you spoke to my teammate the other day, and we mentioned we would just get over this really short screencast to you. And really, what I'm going to be doing is just going over 3 ways in which you can grow and scale your business online, generate more traffic, and as a result, get more clients in the door. Now, total full disclaimer, this is in no way, shape, or form any sort of sales video. This is really just information for you and your business. So honestly, you could take this information, apply it, and you would see major changes, especially online, and the amount of clients that you get. So I hope that you find this information helpful for you. And if not, that's totally okay as well. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. So I'll go ahead and start. I have your website pulled up. Honestly, this is one of the best websites I've ever seen. Like, overall, it's very user friendly. It's so appealing to the eye. Love the colors. So overall, you have a really phenomenal website. I think, again, one of the best that I've seen in working in this field. So this is your website. I'm just so you are aware, I'm just going to be kind of comparing you to your top 2 competitors, show you what they're doing and what you could do to beat them. So again, here's your website. The first thing I would definitely recommend is just getting more content on your front page. This is one of the things that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. This is, of course, their analytics are constantly changing, but if there's one thing I've noticed when it comes to Google, it's that content has always been number 1 in their eyes. So they generally like to see around 1,500 words on your front page and then around 500 to 700 words on your back pages. So that's just an area of opportunity for you. I have your top competitor here. They're in the top position whenever you look up landscaping in Lakeland, Florida. It's Creative Edge Landscaping. This is their website. They really don't have much content. They do have quite a bit more though. So again, just an area of opportunity for you and your business. And then your second top competitor here, Superior Lawn Care of Lakeland. Again, they have quite a bit of content. So I would just recommend getting some more words on your front and back pages, and you would be amazed at even just what that change would do for ranking your website and getting you in that top position. So second thing I want to look at with you is kind of the back end of your website. We use this tool, it's called Ahrefs. It really helps us to see like the ins and out of your website, where it's ranked in the past, where it's ranking now, things of that nature. So don't get too overwhelmed. We're really just going to focus on this top part right here. I'll kind of walk you through what this means. So what UR stands for is the amount of power and influence your website has. And what DR stands for is how trustworthy your website is in Google's eyes. So you really want these numbers to be high and you want them to be close. That's almost the perfect golden ratio, is for them to be as close as possible and high. So you have a good amount of power. You definitely could use some more, but compared to the amount of trust that you have, I think your ratio is pretty decent. What really heavily influences your power and trust is what's called backlinks. And that's the second thing I want to go over with you. What a backlink is, it's pretty much when another website essentially gives credit to your website. Backlinks are really important when it comes to ranking your business and your website, but what's most important is the quality of your links. So as good as it is to have a lot of backlinks, it's more important to have good quality, trustworthy links. In other words, you don't want spammy links referring back to your site, because that really hurts your rating. So you have 38 backlinks, and again, this is what influences the amount of trust that you have. So you have 38 backlinks, and that's coming from 7 different websites. So I'll go to your top competitor here. They have quite a bit of power. However, they really don't have a whole lot of trust, which tells me, yeah, they have a whole lot of backlinks, but it appears that majority of these could be spammy links, which really could end up hurting them. And then your second top competitor, this is Superior Lawn Care. Sorry, I didn't have this in there already. They have very little power and they have no trust. So there's a huge opportunity where you could easily beat this competitor here. I believe they were a few positions higher than you in Google. So this is a huge opportunity where you could just, again, get some content on your page, get more quality links referring back to your website, and I don't see how you couldn't beat them. And then another thing I want to go over with you is what's called keywords. So what a keyword is, it's pretty much a highly searched word in Google. For instance, we'll go to the first one. These are the keywords that you're ranked for, which is amazing. You have a lot of keywords, but you want to get yourself in that top position. You want to be number one in these keywords because that's what's really going to drive the amount of traffic coming to your website, and in turn the amount of clients that you potential clients you can be getting. So you're in for lawn service Lakeland, Florida. If someone Googles this, you show up in the 8th position. So not the first, second, or third, which is what's generally recommended, but you're in the 8th position, and this is searched about 150 times per month. So it's a high search volume for just that one keyword. There's a lot of potential for clients for you and your business if you were to get ranked in the top position for just that keyword. And I could spend a whole video on keywords. Lawn care, Lakeland, Florida, and that gets 150 searches per month too. And you're in the 9th position. You actually just recently went up one. So again, there's a lot of potential for you to get yourself in these top positions for these keywords and just really getting a bunch of traffic to your website. So that's the second thing I wanted to go over. And then the last thing I wanted to go over with you is what's called citations. And what a citation is, it's one of the third things that Google looks at. It's pretty much when your business name, address, and phone number is blasted all over the internet. So whether that be different social media platforms or directories, anywhere that your name, address, and phone number is, it's going to show up as a citation. So you currently have 17 citations. Your top competitor has 27, and then your second top competitor has 18. So I generally recommend doubling what your top competitor has. That way you could beat them out of the water. Again, this is something you could do on your own. Just getting your business name in different directories, it would make a huge difference. So that's really all that I have, short and simple. I didn't want to waste too much of your time. I know that you're probably pretty busy. But yeah, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach back out to me. And if not, that's okay too. I appreciate your time and thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day.